Chip, look what I made.
That's a banana. Oh, hi there, Linda. Well, that's quite a mud ball you've made.
Thanks, Barney. I just love to play in the mud.
I can see that.
Come on, Linda. Let's go home and get you cleaned up. See you later, guys.
Bye-bye.
I guess I better get going, too. We might have soccer practice after all.
Oh, okay. So long.
Bye, Barney. See you later.
Take care. Bye-bye.